Let's dive into one of the world's toughest and most dangerous jobs, crab fishing. Out on the open sea where icy winds whip across the deck and waves tower overhead, crews set out in search of a prize that's as elusive as it is valuable. This is a world where every day is a test of strength, skill, and sheer determination. We're talking about snow crab and king crab, seafood delicacies that command not only high prices at markets and restaurants, but also demand incredible effort and risk from those who harvest them. These crabs are prized around the globe for their sweet, tender meat, making them a sought-after luxury for food lovers everywhere. Most of us only ever see these crabs once they're cooked, cracked open and ready to eat, perhaps dipped in butter at a fancy restaurant. But behind every delicious bite is a story of grit, danger, and relentless hard work, a journey that starts far from the comfort of the dinner table. The demand for crab is truly global, stretching from bustling seafood markets in Asia to high-end restaurants in Europe and North America. This luxury comes at a steep cost, not just in dollars, but in the human effort and sacrifice required to bring it to your plate. Fishermen face brutal, unforgiving conditions, icy decks, freezing temperatures, and relentless storms. Every trip out to sea is a gamble, with no guarantee of a successful catch. The risks are real, and the stakes are high. This isn't a casual day on the water, it's a high-stakes profession where the ocean is always in charge. The sea can turn from calm to deadly in moments, and every crew member must be ready for anything. In this industry, tradition meets technology. Modern equipment helps crews work more efficiently and safely, but every step, from setting the pots to hauling them in, is critical. One mistake can cost the entire catch, or worse. From the icy, unpredictable waters of the Bering Sea to the final packaged product in your local market, each link in the chain is vital. Processing plants work around the clock to ensure that crabs are fresh and ready for shipment worldwide. A single mistake, whether it's a lost pot, a misstep on a slippery deck, or a sudden storm, can mean lost catch, lost income, or even lost lives. The margin for error is razor thin. We're pulling back the curtain on every dirty, difficult, and fascinating part of this job. From sorting the catch in freezing rain to the meticulous work of processing and packaging, nothing about this journey is easy. From the mysterious depths of the ocean floor to your dinner table, it's a journey powered by human resilience, teamwork, and a relentless drive to succeed against the odds. So grab a seat and get ready. You're about to witness one of the toughest, most awe-inspiring jobs on the planet. Let's get started. To catch crabs, you have to go where they live, some of the harshest waters on Earth. These are places where the wind howls, the waves crash relentlessly, and the cold bites through even the thickest gear. It's a world few dare to enter, but for those who do, the rewards and the risks are immense. The Bering Sea, North Atlantic, and North Pacific are home to snow and king crabs, thriving in freezing, pitch-black depths. Down here, sunlight never reaches the bottom, and the water temperature hovers just above freezing. Yet these crabs have evolved to not only survive, but to dominate this extreme environment. Fishermen here battle icy winds, slippery decks, and towering waves. Every movement is a challenge, every task a test of skill and nerve. The sea is unpredictable and danger can strike in an instant. Every shift is a test of endurance and focus. One mistake can be deadly. The crew must work together, trusting each other with their lives as they haul heavy pots and navigate treacherous waters. King crabs are giants with spiky shells and legs that span feet. Their size and strength make them both a prize and a challenge to catch. Their armored bodies are built for survival in the deep, and their powerful claws can snap with surprising force. Snow crabs are smaller but just as tough. Their nimble legs and hardy shells help them thrive where few other creatures can. Both species are perfectly suited to the cold, dark world below. Both species are scavengers, perfectly adapted to the cold, dark seabed. They feed on whatever the ocean provides, shellfish, worms, and even the remains of other sea creatures, making them vital to the ecosystem. Understanding their habits is key to a successful catch. Fishermen must know where the crabs migrate, when they feed, and how to set their traps to outsmart these clever crustaceans. Fishermen must be tough, resourceful, and always alert. The job demands quick thinking, physical strength, and a willingness to face the unknown every day. This is a world where nature makes the rules, and only the prepared survive. The ocean is a force that cannot be tamed, and every trip out is a gamble with fate. The sea is both beautiful and unforgiving, a wild arena for the hunt. Its moods shift in an instant from calm to chaos, and only those who respect its power can hope to return safely. The horizon is endless, the danger constant. Out here, there are no guarantees, only the promise of another day's struggle. Here, the pursuit of crab is a battle against the elements. Every pot pulled from the depths is a victory, hard won and never taken for granted. The fishermen are a breed apart, risking it all for a shot at a big payday. Their courage and determination set them apart, forging a bond that only those who face the sea together can understand. This is where our story begins, in the crab's cold, dark kingdom. Welcome to the deep, where survival is never guaranteed, and every day is a new adventure. Crab fishing is a high-tech operation. The captain's wheelhouse is packed with GPS and sonar, turning the boat into a floating command center. GPS pinpoints the best spots, while sonar maps the ocean floor, revealing the habitats crabs prefer. This tech eliminates guesswork and maximizes every trip. The main tool, the crab pot, a massive steel cage designed to lure crabs in and keep them there. King crab pots are huge and heavy. Snow crab pots are lighter but just as effective. Each pot is baited to attract crabs with entrances that are easy to enter but hard to escape. The combination of navigation, sonar, and clever trap design is what makes the hunt possible. It's a blend of cutting-edge tech and rugged gear. Every detail matters when you're fishing for treasure in the deep. This is how technology meets tradition on the open sea. Once the captain finds the spot, after hours of scanning the horizon and reading the subtle signs of the sea, the real work begins. It's not just about luck, it's about experience, intuition, and a deep understanding of the ocean's rhythms. The crew gets to work baiting the pots with oily, pungent fish, their hands moving quickly and methodically. Each piece of bait is chosen for its strong scent, designed to travel far through the cold, dark water. The bait's scent draws crabs from far and wide, drifting on the currents and promising an easy meal to anything with claws and a keen sense of smell. Pots are loaded, attached to ropes and buoys, and carefully dropped in long strings along the ocean floor. Each pot is spaced just right, forming a line that stretches for miles beneath the waves. It's a dangerous dance. One wrong move, and someone could get hurt. The sea is unforgiving, and the heavy gear can turn treacherous in an instant, especially when the weather turns. The captain uses navigation systems to lay out the strings with precision, plotting each pot's location so nothing is left to chance. Technology and tradition work hand in hand here. Once set, the pots soak, sometimes for a day or more. While the crew waits, the ocean becomes eerily quiet, the boat rocking gently as the crew keeps a watchful eye on the horizon. During the soak, the bait scent spreads, luring crabs into the traps. The underwater world comes alive as curious crabs follow the invisible trail, drawn closer with every passing hour. Crabs crawl in for an easy meal but can't find their way out. The design of the pot is simple but effective, a one-way ticket for the unwary. The crew rests or sets more pots, always working against the clock and the elements. Even in moments of stillness, there's tension in the air, as everyone knows the weather can change in an instant. It's a cycle of hard labor and patient waiting. The rhythm of the job is relentless. Set, wait, haul, repeat, each phase demanding focus and endurance. Every minute counts in this relentless pursuit. The crew keeps a close eye on the clock, knowing that timing can mean the difference between a full haul and an empty one. The ocean decides when it's time to haul. No matter how well you plan, nature always has the final say, and the crew must be ready for anything. The waiting game is on. Out here, patience is as important as strength, and every fisherman knows that the sea rewards those who respect its pace. After soaking, it's time for the most dangerous part, hauling the pots. The crew snags the buoy, hooks the line to a hydraulic winch, and begins the heavy lift. The tension is immense. One snap could mean disaster. As the pot surfaces, the crew swings it aboard, guiding the heavy, swinging cage onto the sorting table. Each pot is a moment of truth, jackpot, or disappointment. Crabs spill out, keepers and throwbacks alike. The crew works fast, rebaiting and resetting pots in a non-stop assembly line. The deck is chaos, water, metal, and scuttling crabs everywhere. It's cold, wet, and exhausting, but the team moves with practiced efficiency. Every member knows their role. Safety and speed are everything. The goal? Get crabs from pot to holding tank as quickly as possible. The cycle repeats for hours, sometimes days. This is the heart-pounding reality of crab fishing. Sorting crabs is fast, frantic, and crucial. Strict rules protect crab populations. Only legal-sized males are kept. Each crab is measured with a caliper. Undersized crabs go back to the sea. Females are also released, identified by the shape of their abdominal flap. Protecting juveniles and females ensures future harvests. The crew sorts at lightning speed, checking size and sex in seconds. It's tough work, crabs snap and squirm, but the crew is efficient and respectful. Every throwback is an investment in sustainability. The sorting table is where responsibility meets tradition. The crew's livelihoods depend on healthy crab stocks. Regulations are strict and compliance is non-negotiable. It's a dirty job, but it's about stewardship as much as profit. Every crab sorted is a step toward a sustainable future. Respect for the resource is at the core of the job. Once sorted, legal crabs go straight into holding tanks, alive. Crabs spoil quickly, so keeping them alive is critical for quality. The tanks circulate cold, oxygen-rich seawater, mimicking the crab's natural habitat. The crew monitors temperature and oxygen, avoiding overcrowding to prevent stress and death. A single dead crab can ruin the whole tank, so vigilance is key. When the tanks are full, the boat heads back to port, a journey that can take days. The live cargo is carefully unloaded with cranes and nets. Crabs are transferred to refrigerated trucks, racing against time to the processing plant. Every step is about preserving freshness and value. The journey from sea to shore is a delicate operation. The clock is always ticking. Only the best crabs make it to the next stage. The live cargo journey is a race for quality. At the processing plant, speed and precision take over. Live crabs are butchered, legs and claws separated by automated machines. The meat is cooked in massive steamers, with timing and temperature tightly controlled. Cooking brings out the signature red color and perfect texture. Much of the meat extraction is still done by hand. Skilled workers pick out every bit. Meat is sorted by size and quality, then packaged for sale. Whole legs are glazed and flash frozen. Extracted meat is vacuum sealed or canned. The plant is a blur of motion, noisy, wet, and efficient. Every second counts to preserve freshness. From live crab to packaged product, it's a model of teamwork and skill. This is where the ocean's treasure becomes a delicacy. After a perilous journey, crab finally lands on our tables. What makes it so special? The sweet, delicate flavor and tender texture. King and snow crab are prized for their taste, never too fishy, always satisfying. Crab is versatile. Steam it, dip it in butter, or use it in pastas, sushi, and crab cakes. Eating crab is an experience. Cracking shells, sharing stories, savoring every bite. It's a meal that brings people together, making every effort worthwhile. The price reflects the danger and dedication behind every catch. Next time you enjoy crab, remember the journey, the fishermen, the risks, the skill. It's a story of hard work and respect for the sea. From ocean depths to your plate, every bite is earned. That's why we crave the crab.